better watch your back. Well, I beg your pardon for standing there aside. If you walk with Jesus, he'll save your soul. You gotta keep the devil down in the hole.
I do what I can do to help y'all. But the game is out there. And it's either play or get played.
Jumped off of something?
We're building something here, Detective. We're building it from scratch. All the pieces matter.
Pawns, man, in the game, they be out the game early.
I mean, you call summer war. And pretty soon, everybody gonna be running around acting like warriors. They gonna be running around on a damn crusade, storming corners, slapping on cuffs, racking up body counts. And soon the neighborhood that you're supposed to be policing, that's just occupied territory. You follow drugs, you get drug addicts and drug dealers. But you start to follow the money, and you take you.
The game is rigged, but you cannot lose if you do not play.
Look, it takes money to make money, Strang. Otherwise, hell, every punk would be a king.
See, the thing is, you only got once.
Open the doors, put the off in.
Be a little slow, be a little late, just once. And how you ain't gonna never be slow, never be late? You can't plan this, man. It's life.
Ain't no shame in holding on to grief. As long as you make room for other things too.
A life, Jimmy. You know what that is? It happens while you're waiting for moments that never come.
On that, I'm out of there.
A man must have a code. No doubt.
You show loyalty, they learn loyalty. You show them it's about the work, it'll be about the work. You show them some other kind of game, then that's the game they'll play.
The job will not save you, Jimmy. It won't make you whole, it won't fill your...
I don't know. A good case.
Ends. They all end. The handcuffs go click and it's over. And the next morning, it's just you in your room with yourself.
Getting clean's the easy part. Now comes life.
Ah, sweet.
Can you take a picture?
All right, Mom, you got pictures on that.
No, just by myself.
I know, she is. Wait a second.
They do have. I didn't even touch them.
Heather, why didn't you touch them?
Anybody else lining up, you're welcome to find
Put your hand on it.
Spot you see.
Can you touch it?
To avoid eyes, tail, and underside. So you want to take a gentle 2-finger stroke.
I don't want to do that.
Go ahead, right on the top.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're right there.
There you go. See?
Touch that sucker. Can you reach it?
Yeah, but I'm scared.
Go ahead, you got it. Touch right on the top. Your pants. Go ahead. I did it.
All right, here. It's right here. Come with me.
Adapted it purely because of their clumsiness.
Huh? Here, come on. Come down with me. Come down with me. Huh?
Females are about twice the size.
Did you touch it?
During the summertime, females are one that used to lay eggs.
Just touch it like that.
Males will grab on the back of her, but it's like we had a female in here 4 or 5 years. Here we go. We want to avoid eyes. We want to avoid tails. We don't want to
avoid the eyes and tails.
You do it.
Huh? Just avoid the brown bumps on the side. Just a very simple stroke right down the middle. The eye's going to help her. But they don't mind. They don't even get bothered by each other. If you can get stepping up in animals that are dangerous or along with them.
Hold on. Let's wait for a good one. They're called jellies for a reason. That's so real.
There you go. 2 fingers.
You do it.
Here, same time.
No. I want that smooth mushroom shaped top side.
The top side.
Is it cute?
So weird.
It feels so weird. Okay, even if we just don't touch the bottom because they're delicate.
That it feels so good.
We would not let you stick your hand.
Top, right here, right here.
It feels so nice.
I know.
What's the top of it?
Did it sting you?
The top.
Did it sting you?
Look.
That's the
bottom.
They're upside down right here, right here.
Yeah,
Not this one's upside down.
That's the water. Get off the water. They wouldn't let us do it if it was like bad.
Grandma, you have to touch, like pet it like this. I've never touched a jellyfish.
We need it. First time for everything. That's crazy. That's crazy. They look funny. There he is.
Why isn't it moving?
It's still. All right, Hamlet's right. Yeah, well, he's waiting for something. Look how much. You can almost see his nose and his eyes above water.
That's what happens. Like, that's what alligators do. Things that he eats don't see him, then when they come.
Yeah, look how small they are up top. Look how big they are below. That's wild.
That's what they do.
Look at this turtle.
That's so big. Like, there's small fish, there's big fish, there's small turtles, there's ginormous turtles.
If I could throw you in there for $10, I would do it. Just 10.
I wish we could go pet the stingrays. Like that, you know, I wish there was an elevator under the water, so like, and it was clear so we could see through it.
I think there are some exhibits like that. We just gotta find them. Oh, look at that one. Whoa.
Yeah, look at that big one.
How long would it take you to reel that sucker in?
A while.
The big fish.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's coming towards us.
Not toward us, toward you.
Right on the glass right there.
Oh, see, Papa?
Look, guys, one's about to fly.
Ivy, looking for food. Look at his face.
He's gonna jump, right?
He's confused.
Oh, I thought he was gonna jump.
Is he gonna jump? I'll get him.
Is it a duck? Is it a penguin?
We'll go through the loop.
Here it comes. Oh, turn around.
But Dad, look at those turtles. Look at it.
Yeah, look how good they get down there.
One's as big as you. Yes. Where's the stingray? Look, it's like a rainbow stingray.
Wow, crazy.
What you looking at?
Hello?
Look at that blue fox.
In my neck! Run! Starting to get numb! 3 darts is too much!
That's the yellow mayonnaise poison dart.
Green one.
There's a strawberry dart frog. And the strawberry dart.
Don't eat those.
These are awesome. Look at that small one.
He's gonna get eaten.
Oh, Dad, here's a terrible poison dart.
A tiny, tiny one right there.
These are treat frogs, right?
Why does it smell like this?
Well, it's nature. Gotta deal with it. Nature. You can have Australian stuff because everything in Australia will kill you.
There's piranhas in there.
Piranha?
Yeah. That's a piranha.
Yeah, those little things right there, the big ones.
Don't eat your finger.
The big boy.
What are the piranhas?
Right there. They have red stomachs. Red bellies.
I don't see any. Oh, I didn't know they were piranhas. They look like
There's like a
glitter.
red tint to them.
They look glittery.
I don't know. Aborigines?
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose.
Can you imagine living like that?
Throw it. I dare you. Hold up! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear!
Look, jellies have been, yeah.
Jellies have been around longer than dinosaurs, at least 500 million years.
Alright.
They get all their liquid from food. Toasted, cheese, fish, little dolphins.
The USS George.
If you walk through the garden